Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use overrides. So you can change the colors, line style, line weights of anything without messing around with the standard symbology that the FDOT gives you. Otherwise, when you do your QC process at the end of your project, you're going to get a bunch of errors and then you're going to spend half a day fixing them. Let's open this right away file. This file was giving me errors because normally, see, it says that the line weight is 2, and that's an invalid weight. If you go to your level manager, for the right-of-way, the standard is 0. This is what it comes with. But I know that, having a little thicker line in the plans looks a little better. So what it was done in this case, they just selected everything and they changed it by here, they forced it. Notice that right next to the 2, there's not a little glyph, the little icon. That icon means that it's by level. The 2 doesn't have it, so that's how you can tell also. Let's change this to by level, and notice that it goes thin. So now, if we run the QC, it's going to give you, hey, it's 100% compliant. That's fine. We fixed one problem, but we created another one. Everywhere this file has been called upon, been referencing the plans, the design, whatever. Now the lines are thin, and we don't want to show that. So how can we do that without triggering any errors in the QC checker? Let's go to the level manager, and right here, just right-click on the level, and let's go to properties. Under the general tab, go here where it says symbology. This is a symbology by level. This is what the FDOT gives you. It tells you, hey, this is supposed to be color 7, this is a style, and let's make it 0. But for some reason, I want to make it thicker. We can do an override. An override is going to change how it looks without changing the code, if you know what I mean. Let's make this away. Let's make the 2 how we had it before. And why not? Let's just change the colors to 4. Nope, I guess I doesn't want to get the color. Change it to. Now, when you click OK, it's going to change over here. You're going to see it in the background. It's already changed. It became thicker, and it got green for some reason. But if you go here to the symbology, the level manager, it still says, hey, this is still showing as 7. This is still showing as 0. Great. That means that we're not changing the code, the standard. If you want to see if any of your levels have override, just click here. Show me everything symbology by override. So you're going to see this is out of the norm. This is green, and this is 2. And they say this is how you want it. If for some reason you make the overrides and nothing shows up, make sure you have your overrides enabled in your presentation, your view panel. This is without overrides, standard FDOT symbology, and with overrides. Make sure if you're using overrides, you have that enabled in your plan sheet so it shows. Now, even though we change the thickness and the weight and the colors, when you do a QC check, it's still going to register as, hey, this is 100% compliance. Nothing has changed. So that's one way to do it. This is best practice.